present here. It is a glad welcome we bring you to this morning, filled with desires, hopes, and dreams we all share. I am extremely privileged to have this opportunity to address you all at this important moment for celebrating our 74th Independence Day. We all are gathered on this occasion and live session to motivate and inspire the young minds to showcase their talents. So, I, on behalf of entire administration, faculty, and students' body, wholeheartedly welcome our founder, Mr. Udayappa sir, our beloved correspondent sir, Dr. Arivaruliyar. We hope that your energy, enthusiasm, and your leadership and guidance may we reach next level of glory. I heartily welcome the dignitaries of the priceless program today, our chief guest, Mrs. Manimehala Devasigamani, who is the retired principal and former member of Madras North Consumer Dispute Redressal Forum, and our guest of honor, Mrs. Lalita Lakshmi, a proprietor of Rajni Gas Agency. I would also like to welcome our senior principal, Dr. Vasantha Udayappa, our vice principal, Adimuthu, and HMM, all the teachers, staffs, our lovely students and parents who are an integral part of this institution. I request all for you kind cooperation throughout this program and make it a grand success.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் மதனமென நிகழ்வரத கண்டமிதில் எக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு திரை முதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
So let's remember on this day our great freedom fighters and leaders who sacrificed their everything to make our motherland free. Let's bow our heads to who lived and died for India. It's a bit honor, however, in this pandemic, the medical community, including doctors, nurses, and the medical staffs, are the warriors who are fighting this disease on the front line and are putting their lives at risk to keep us safe. So thank you from everyone for the sacrifice you make every day, especially during this pandemic. Independence Day begins with flag hoisting. I request our correspondent sir to come on stage and commemorate the flag hoisting event. I request all to do a wonderful claps and salute the flag. Following the flag hoisting, a school pledge will be there. I request our senior correspondent as well senior principal Dr. Vasantha Udayappa to come on stage and commemorate the flag hoisting event. I request all to do a wonderful clap and salute the flag.
Flag salute. Order.
Country,
India is my country.
all Indians
All Indians
are my brothers and sisters.
are my brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am proud of
and I am proud of
its rich
its rich
and varied heritage.
and varied heritage.
I shall always strive
I shall always strive
to be worthy of it.
to be worthy of it.
I shall give my parents,
I shall give my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders
and all elders
respect
respect
and treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge my devotion.
I pledge my devotion.
In their well-being
In their well-being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
I consider it is a great honor to welcome our chief guest, Ms. Manimehalai Devasihamani, on the dais to have a few words.
Respected founder and correspondent Dr. Mrs. Vasantha Udayappa, Principal Thiru Arivarayulu, your team of dedicated teaching and non-teaching staff, and my very dear students of Pasumpon Arsini Matriculation School. My 74th Independence Day greetings to one and all. I deem it a great privilege to address you on this special occasion. This day marks the 74th anniversary of national independence from the British Empire on 15th August 1947. It is an auspicious day when India became independent after lots of hardships and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. The entire nation celebrated with full spirit and patriotism. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was chosen as the first Prime Minister. He unfurled our tricolour flag at Red Fort in national capital New Delhi for the first time. From then onwards, we celebrate Independence Day every year with colourful parade, including march past, cultural programs, and performances of patriotic songs by school and college students. Our country is our motherland, and we should be grateful for whatever we have got from our country. We should put our positive thoughts in the growth and development of our nation. We should make our nation proud. First, by keeping our vicinity clean. Second, educating and empowering the weaker section of the society. Third, paying our taxes. Fourth, conserving our natural resources by recycling and reusing. And fifth, instilling patriotism in every individual. When we talk about being patriotic, we have to honor our leaders, follow their footsteps. We have to take care of our public property like the public parks, trains, buses, aeroplanes, etc., and not to destroy them unwantedly. Respect your flag, your national flag. You have to put your hands by your sides and keep silence when the national anthem is sung. As students, As students, you have a very important role to play. You have to study well, work diligently, and think of serving your country with the education given to you. As the President of America, John Kennedy, had written earlier, ask not what the country can do for you, but what you can do for your country. You have to be very, very careful when you are doing anything. You have to be an honest person, and it is rightly said that the children of today are the future citizens of tomorrow. So I can imagine how many of you would become eminent doctors, engineers, lawyers, IAS officers, and eminent people holding high posts not only in our country but also in the world. How many scientists will be among you? And to add to everything, whoever you are, you will be serving our country, and India will be very proud of you. To sum it up, be a good citizen, well disciplined, be kind-hearted, generous, respectful to your elders always. Keep smiling and make others happy around you. Thank you all once again. Have a good day. Jai Hind.
It was really a stunning speech. Thank you so much, ma'am. With equal pleasure, I invite our guest of honor, Miss Lalita Lakshmi, onto the dais to have a few words.
Hi, dear children. Happy 74th Independence Day and good morning to you all. I am Lalita Lakshmi from Rajni Gas Agency, speaking to you from my home. I am sorry to miss seeing you all because of this COVID-19 situation. This is an extraordinary situation which the whole world is facing, with doctors, nurses, hospital staff, frontline workers like police, delivery staff of gas agencies, petrol pump attendants, conservancy staff, and immense other people who have put their lives on the line to serve all of us. Researchers in various countries are scrambling to find a vaccine for this so that the world can go back to the pre-COVID days of normalcy, where you can all go to schools, play with friends, study in a group, etc., etc. You all know and must have studied about our freedoms struggle which got us this democracy, which is the world's biggest. We on our part, who never were part of that struggle, should strive to put our petty problems, fights, differences and grievances aside to make our India the best country in the world. We talk of America as the number one country now, but at present the country is struggling to contain this problem. We are a multilingual, multicultural and multi-religious country, with each region having a different type of food, culture, religions and practices. We have to be proud to be citizens of this great country where civilization has existed for thousands of years when other countries were even non-existent. All of you must be having online classes, which is the new normal now, and I want you to adjust to this and cooperate with your teachers and parents to learn what is being taught and try to excel in your studies. Even though I know you all must be missing going to school and be with your teachers and friends, I want you to remember that this is an extraordinary situation which has never happened and never been seen in our lives in centuries. The last such thing which happened like this was in 1918, where the Spanish flu killed millions. I want you all to be brave and adhere to the rules imposed by the government to prevent us from getting this disease. I want you to adhere to the I want you to adhere to wearing masks if you have to go out. Keep your distance. Wash your hands thoroughly with sanitizers, etc. I would request you to not go out at all. Some of the parents might have lost their jobs and livelihood and may be in financial difficulties. Understand the situation and adjust. This disease has affected kings, prime ministers, presidents, industrialists, movie heroes, and also common people like you and me. I request you, all of you, to adjust to the situation and wait for this to pass. We have to remember the Bhagavad Gita maxim that this too shall pass. Help your parents and siblings and people who are in more difficulties. Use this time judiciously to learn a new language or a craft or cooking or something which you want to learn. Hoping to see all of you in the near future. Jai Hind. Happy Independence Day. I wish these difficult times will vanish at the earliest and we can all meet in person and enjoy our time together. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir, for your participation. Now it's time to welcome you all. So let's cheer up for a beautiful start of the show. And I'll call our fairy as Niveta from 10th standard to perform a welcome dance. So please put your hands together. It was really awesome performance by Niveta. So please put your hands together to appreciate her. Now I would like to invite Krishna Kumar from 9th standard to give a speech about 74th Independence Day.
Good morning to all. I am S. Krishna Kumar. I am studying in 9th standard. Now I talk about the Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand was born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar. He was 13 years old when married to his Kasturba Mohanji Paris Hajjman. They had 4 sons. His father name is Karamchand Gandhi and his mother name is Putlibai Gandhi. Gandhi learned to living beginnings at an early age. Gandhi studied at the Law University of Bombay for 1 year. Then at the University College London, from which he graduated in 1891. and was admitted to the Bar of England. His reading by Civil Disobedience by David to Inspector devotion of to the principle of non-violence. He went to South Africa for work on Indian film in Nadal. There Gandhi explained Raxium. He was thrown off a train while holding a valid first-class ticket and pushed to third class. Later refusing travel on the footboard to make a room for an European passengers. Gandhi identified his overall method and non-violent action. Gandhiji Satyagraha influenced eminent personalities such as Nelson Mandela and Martin Luther in their struggle, freedom, equality and social justice. Mahatma Gandhi was based on to the principle and non-violence. Mitten Salt Act 1882 prohibited from Indians collecting or selling salt established in their diet. First, Gandhi sent out a letter to inform Brixton Lord Elban that he and the others would begin breaking the salt laws in 10 days. He died 13th January 1948 for cause of association. Thank you. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.
It was a great speech by Krishna Kumar. So please put your hands to appreciate Krishna Kumar. Yes, today our beloved children of Hasni Rainbow Kids are going to make us smile and take us back to our childhood days. So without wasting any more time, let us begin with Fancy Dress program. So I hope you all enjoy what these little bundles are going to present. So first we're going to see the goddess of learning, Subramania Bharatiyar, through Nitin's performance from UKG.
I am Shipa Mara Bharatya at the National Theatre. I am Sira Paiter at the Yambaba December 1882. 9 at the I wrote any poem in Tamil. I wrote poem, any poem. I actually thank Mama Kavi Bharatya. Thank you. Stay.
Awesome performance by Nitin. So following to Nitin and next Ajul D. Raj as Subhash Chandra Bose. So our little Netaji is gonna do the performance. Let's watch the performance.
Good morning to all. My name is Ajul Diraj. I am studying 4th standard. I am going to speak about Subhash Chandra Bose. I am Subhash Chandra Bose. I am also known as Netaji. I am the president of INC from 1938 to 1939. I attempted to get rid of British rule in India during World War, which the help of Nazi, Germany and Imperial Japan. Jai Hind.
Wonderful performance by Ajul. So next we're gonna see Utashri from 1st standard as Mother Teresa.
Good morning to all. I am Anna Teresa. I was born on 26th August 1910 in the Ottoman Empire. I am belonged to the religion of Christianity. I am a nun in the Catholic Church. I wanted to live religious life since my childhood. Peace begins with my smile. Thank you.
Very cute performance by Utashri. So please put your hands to appreciate our little Mother Teresa. So do you know who's gonna come next? Yes, I'm gonna say you the quotes. I shall not surrender my Jhansi. Yes, Archala Darshini from UKG, bold enough to gonna perform as Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai. So please welcome her.
I'm a great purchase and one of the freedom
performance by Darshini. Yes, please put your hands to appreciate our little one. Yeah, next, Sujita from 3rd standard is going to present as Tilayadi Valiyamai.
Buddy, my name is K. Sujita. I study in 3rd standard. I am Tilayadi Valiyamai. I was born on 22 February 1898. I am a South African Tamil woman. My father name is R. Munusami and Mangalam. My village name is Nagapattinam near Mailadurai. Jai Hind, thank you.
Such an amazing performance by our Hasani Rainbow Kids. Now it's time to get motivated. Independence Day celebration will not end without a speech. So I'm glad to invite Mr. Vijay Raghavan sir, a teacher and a social activist. Put your hands together and give a warm welcome.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நாம் இன்று 74வது சுதந்திர தினத்தை கொண்டாட இருக்கின்றோம். இந்த திருநாளில் நம்முடைய சுதந்திரத்திற்காக இன்னுயிர் இந்த தலைவர்களை நினைவு கூறுவது நமக்கு மிகவும் முக்கியத்துவம் வாய்ந்ததாகும். நம் நாடு 1947ஆம் ஆண்டு சுதந்திரம் அடைவதற்கு முன்பு ஆங்கிலேயரிடத்திலே அடிமைப்பட்டிருந்தது. நம்முடைய நாட்டினுடைய இயற்கை வளங்களை தெரிந்து கொண்டு பல்வேறு வெளிநாட்டு பயணிகள் தங்களுடைய குறிப்புகளில் இந்தியாவினுடைய செல்வ வளத்தை பற்றி தங்களுடைய குறிப்புகளில் எழுதி வைத்திருந்தார்கள். அந்த இயற்கை செல்வங்களை தெரிந்து கொண்டு போர்ச்சுகீசியர்கள், டச்சுக்காரர்கள், டேனியர்கள், ஆங்கிலேயர்கள் என பல நாட்டினர் வந்து நம் நாட்டினுடைய இயற்கை வளங்களை எல்லாம் சுரண்டினார்கள். அப்படி சுரண்டி கொண்டிருந்த போது ஆங்கிலேயர்கள் இயற்கை வளங்களை மட்டும் சுரண்டாமல் தங்களுடைய ஆதிக்கத்தையும் நம்முடைய இந்தியாவில் நிலைநாட்டினார்கள். கிட்டத்தட்ட 2½ நூற்றாண்டு காலம் ஆங்கிலேயர்கள் இந்தியாவில் நம்முடைய நாட்டு மக்களை தங்கள் அடிமைப்படுத்தி தங்களின் கட்டுப்பாட்டின் கீழ் வைத்திருந்தார்கள். இந்த அடிமைத்தனத்தை தகர்த்தெறிந்த அகிம்சைவாதி அண்ணல் காந்தி அவர்கள் 1920ஆம் ஆண்டு பாரிஸ்டர் படிப்பதற்காக சென்றபோது ரயில் நிலையத்தில் தள்ளிவிடப்பட்டார். அதுவே அவர் சுதந்திரத்திற்காக பாடுபடுவதற்கு அவரை ஈடுபடுத்த தூண்டியது. பிறகு அவர் பல்வேறு போராட்டங்களை நடத்தினார். 1905ஆம் ஆண்டு வங்கப்பிரிவினை, 1920ஆம் ஆண்டு துளையாமை இயக்கம் மற்றும் 1942ஆம் ஆண்டு வெள்ளையனை வெளியேறு இயக்கம் போன்ற பல்வேறு இயக்கங்களை நடத்தினார்கள். அதற்கு முன்பாக 1806ஆம் ஆண்டு நடைபெற்ற வேலூர் கழகமும் 1857ஆம் ஆண்டு நடைபெற்ற சிப்பாய் புரட்சியும் இந்திய விடுதலைக்கு ஒரு விதையாக அமைந்தது. பல தலைவர்கள் தங்களுடைய இன்னுயிரை ஈந்தார்கள். திருப்பூர் குமரன், வ.உ. சிதம்பரம் பிள்ளை, வீரபாண்டிய கட்டபொம்மன், ஊமைத்துறை, அஞ்சலை அம்மாள், திளையாடி வள்ளியம்மை இதுபோன்று பல்வேறு தலைவர்கள் தங்களுடைய இன்னுயிரை தியாகம் செய்து நம்முடைய நாட்டின் சுதந்திரத்திற்காக பாடுபட்டார்கள். அவர்கள் வாங்கி கொடுத்த சுதந்திரத்தை பேணி காப்பது நம் ஒவ்வொருவருடைய கடமையாகும். இந்த சுதந்திர நாளில் அவர்கள் காட்டிய வழியினை பின்பற்றி நாம் அவர்கள் சொன்ன வழியை பின்பற்ற வேண்டும். டாக்டர் அப்துல் கலாம் குறிப்பிடுவது போல கனவு காணுங்கள், கனவை நினைவாக்க நாம் ஒவ்வொருவரும் பாடுபட வேண்டும் என்றார். மாணவ செல்வங்களாகிய உங்களுக்கு சில கட்டளையையும் கூறியுள்ளார். குறைந்தது 5 மரக்கன்றுகளையாவது நடுங்கள். குறைந்தது உங்களுக்கு கீழ் வகுப்பு படிக்கும் மாணவர்களுக்கு உதவி செய்யுங்கள். படிப்பதற்கு புத்தகங்களை அதிகம் படியுங்கள் மற்றும் முடிந்த உதவியை மற்றவர்களுக்கு செய்யுங்கள். இதுபோன்ற செயல்களை செய்வதன் மூலம் நம்முடைய நாடு வல்லரசாகும் என்று கூறியுள்ளார். இதேபோன்று பாரதியும் தன்னுடைய எழுச்சி கவிதைகளால் நாட்டினுடைய சுதந்திரத்திற்கு பாடுபட்டார். அவருடைய ஒவ்வொரு கவிதை வரியும் சுதந்திர உணர்வை இன்றளவும் தட்டி எழுப்பி கொண்டிருக்கின்றன. இதுபோன்ற தலைவர்களுடைய வழிகளை நாமும் பின்பற்றி அவர்கள் சொன்ன வழிமுறைகளை வாழ்க்கையை நடைமுறைப்படுத்தினாலே நாம் அவர்கள் கண்ட கனவு நினைவாகும். அப்துல் கலாம் சொன்ன 2020இல் இந்தியா வல்லரசு என்கின்ற பாதையை நோக்கி நாம் சென்று கொண்டிருக்கின்றோம். ஆனால் அவர்கள் கண்ட கனவில் இன்னும் நாம் பயணித்து கொண்டுதான் இருக்கின்றோம். ஒவ்வொருவரும் தங்களுடைய பங்கினை ஆற்ற வேண்டும். மாணவர்களாகிய நீங்கள் அனைவரும் பெற்றோர்களிடத்தில் மரியாதை, ஆசிரியர்களிடத்தில் மரியாதை, உங்களுக்கு கீழ் உள்ளவர்களுக்கு வகுப்புகள் எடுத்தல் மற்றும் மரக்கன்றுகள் நடுதல், தேவையுள்ளவருக்கு உதவி செய்தல், நூலகம் மூலம் அரிய புத்தகங்களை படித்தல், தங்களுடைய தனித்திறன்களை வளர்த்துக் கொள்ளுதல் போன்றவற்றின் மூலமாக நாம் கலாம் கண்ட கனவை நினைவாக்க முடியும். ஆகவே மாணவர்களாகிய நீங்கள் இந்த சுதந்திர நாளில் ஒவ்வொருவரும் நாம் அவர்கள் முன்னணி சுதந்திரத்திற்காக பாடுபட்ட தலைவர்கள் காட்டிய வழியை பின்பற்றி நாம் ஒவ்வொருவரும் அவர்கள் காட்டிய வழியை பின்பற்றி அவர்கள் வழி நடந்து நாட்டிற்காகவும் நம்முடைய தேசத்திற்காகவும் நம்மாலான பங்கினை ஆற்றுவோமாக என்று கூறி வாய்ப்பளித்தமைக்கு நன்றி கூறி விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Vote of thanks. Respected and most distinguished founder, Mr. S.P. Udayappa sir. Respected our honorable correspondent and our chief guest, Mrs. Manimehalai Devasihamani. Our guest of honor, Mrs. Lalita Lakshmi. And respected senior principal, our beloved vice principal, our HM ma'am. Honorable teachers and my dear students and parents, it seems to be a great honor to propose the vote of thanks to all who have helped us in making this celebration a very resounding success. So first of all, I would like to give my hearty vote of thanks to our correspondent sir for gracing today's celebration. Thank you, sir. On behalf of my school, I extended a really hearty vote of thanks to our chief guest, Mrs. Manimehalai Devasihamani, and our guest of honor, Mrs. Lalita Lakshmi, who spared time from their busiest schedule to grace this occasion. So today we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will surely be going to encourage us in our future events. So I'd like to thank our distinguished speaker, Mr. Vijay Raghavan sir, for making an excellent presentation and making this celebration a very meaningful and interesting. I would like to express our deep gratitude to the senior principal, Dr. Vasantha Udayappa, for her presence in this celebration. So I'd like to thank our beloved vice principal, Mr. Adimuthu sir, and HM Vijayalakshmi ma'am for their guidance and moral support. I'm happy to express a vote of thanks to a staff that has made this celebration a grand success through their motivation and dedication. Every child is a different kind of flower, and altogether they make this world a beautiful garden. So I'm thanking Blooming Buddies for their cute performance that will run through various programs. Your dreams becomes reality, your passion is ignited, and you have shown the hidden language of your soul. Thank you so much for your delightful performance on this day. So I'd like to give my vote of thanks to parents for making the celebration a great success. Finally, I thank the wonderful students who have turned up in such a great number. So thank you so much for your cooperation. Hopefully, we would love to see you on school campus after this COVID-19 pandemic. Until that, please be safe and secure. Follow all the basics regulations. God will shower His enormous blessings. Once again, I thank you all for your cordial cooperation. Now, it's time to end. This celebration brings out the enthusiasm in students and put all their efforts to make it an extraordinary affair. So it is an exceptionally memorable day. My love for my nation is worthiness. My love for my people is endless. All I desire for my country is happiness. So we hope you all enjoyed, and thanks to each and every individual for joining us and making this day one of our best days.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफला मलयज शीतला सस्यश्यामला मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे